Hi everyone. In this video, we understand. Hi everyone. In this video, we see heart attack prediction by random forest machine learning model. To get relevant source code of this model, click on the download link mentioned in description part. So let's start the video. In this model, we take in a heart attack related data set and we apply pre-processing cleaning technique. After that, we extract feature, that is numeric feature, from the data set and partition it into training and testing vector. And we train our random forest learning model by using Python. So let's see how we develop and what you will get once you download that source code. So this is what you will get once you download the source code. Following are the set of libraries that you need to import, and after that you can run your model. To run this model, you just need to open it in Python, set particular folders, and in case of data, you need to set the path. Once it get done, you just need to click on this run button and the code will run as shown in the command window. So these are the accuracies and other comparing parameter of the testing data set. To vary the size of this data set, we set it to vary the size of data set, we set a variable in it. After it, you can modify the testing data set size and get different value for that corresponding testing data set size. I hope